Hi, good afternoon, teachers. This is Elenisa Vasquez, and I'm going to show you how to import a TELPAS activity into your Seesaw account. So once you arrive to the TELPAS PowerPoint, go ahead and scroll through the PowerPoint and find your grade level. So for instance, I'm looking for a 5th grade lesson, and this is the first week for August 21st. And so just click on the Seesaw icon to access the activity link. So you would just click on that. And as you can see here, I'm already taken straight to the activity because I was already logged into Seesaw in another tab up here. So if you aren't already logged in, you will have to sign in. But if you are logged in already, you'll get this screen right here where it asks you to save the activity. So to get it to your activity library, you would click on Save Activity. And then it gets imported into your activity library. And so all the activities that I've ever downloaded or picked up from another teacher appear here. And so this is the activity that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this activity. And at this point, you would simply just share it with your students. So once you click on share, then it's going to give you a list of all your classes. And all you would simply do is check off the classes that you would want to share it with. Then when you're finished, just click on Share with 3 classes. And that's it. All your students will do is sign in, either with a QR code or email. And then step 2 is that they would go to the Activities tab and then tap Add, and then they would be able to respond to this activity. After they respond, then it goes to you so that you can review and rate the response. If you have any questions, please let me know. My name is Elenisa Vasquez and my email is ecvasquez@laredoisd.org.